ओके, मैं एक बार चेक करते ओके।
Yeah. So in the last class, we have discussed about course information and the classes information and the project information, whatever we are going to do in the end of the course. Okay, all those things we have completed. And not only that, we have discussed about why everybody using frameworks nowadays to develop the applications and what is the difference between client side and server side technologies and what are the advantages of the server side technologies by storing the data in the database. That is also we have discussed in the yesterday class. Right, everyone? Please respond. Okay, right. This is what we have discussed in the last class. Hello. Okay, right. Now today class, what we are going to do is we are going to discuss about the TypeScript also. What is TypeScript? Okay, what is the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript? Okay, and then after what is MVC structure? All those things today class we are going to discuss. Okay, everybody, right? Okay, yes. So before that, whatever I have discussed in the yesterday class, that one again I want to give some overview also. Okay, that one I want to give some overview also. Okay, everybody, right? So first of all, I will tell yesterday class little bit overview. Then after I will discuss about the differences between JavaScript and TypeScript as well. Okay, everybody, right? So now see here, everybody, what is this? Angular is a MVC structure followed client-side framework developed by Google company using TypeScript language. So if you want to develop any frameworks, okay, we should use any language only. We should use any language. For example, by using Java, we have developed Spring and Hibernate. Okay, coding PHP language we have used and we have developed Laravel and Codeigniter frameworks. Okay, by using Python, we have developed Django framework. Okay, everybody, like that. They also used Microsoft, Google company also used TypeScript language and they have developed this Angular framework. Why they have developed these frameworks? Not only they, why everybody, okay, why they are, why everybody is developing frameworks, or else why everybody developing their applications by using frameworks? So the simple answer is to reduce the application development time. What is that? To reduce the application development time. Okay, right. So for example, if you want to develop an application, we need to take care of three things. What is that? Security, performance, and SEO friendly URLs. Security, performance, SEO friendly URLs. Why? Because if your application is not secure, what happens? Users will uninstall your application. For example, you have developed a money transaction app. Somebody used that application. Okay, so whenever they have used that application, okay, understand my point. Whenever they have used your application, okay, whenever they have used their your application, they lost their money. Then what happens? For example, they are transferring 20,000 rupees by using your app. So if they never they lost, what happens? They will uninstall your application. Not only that, first of all, they will file a criminal case against on your app. First of all, they will file a cheating case on your against on your app. Okay, right. Then only they will uninstall that. So whenever money lost, whenever any users lost their money, okay. So not only losing your users, you need to face some legal consequences also. That's why we should take care of our application related security. We should take care of our application related security and performance. Our application should work. Our application should perform, okay, very high, irrespective of the number of users are using. For example, if we observe PhonePe, at the same time, hundreds, thousands, crores of people will use at the same time. Everybody transfers money, different types of money. Somebody will transfer 10 rupees, somebody will transfer 20 rupees, somebody will transfer 5,000, somebody will transfer 500, somebody 50,000 also they will transfer. But whatever it may be, it does not hang, and whatever it may be, it does not okay, they don't lose their money. That's why everybody using the PhonePe nowadays. If the internet signal is good, then you can send the money within 5 to 10 seconds only. Understand, everybody? And okay, no money. For example, if you are transferring okay 10 rupees, you will only transfer only 10 rupees only. Okay, understanding or not? Respond, everybody. That means you don't get any misleading information. You don't get any misleading information. If there is any problem in the money management also. That means we are transferring some money. The transaction has failed. Okay, but after some time, you will retrieve that money also. Understanding or not? Respond everyone. Like phone pay, whenever you are transferring money. Hello. Hello. Are you listening or not? Respond everyone.
Yes, yes, we are able to listen.
For example, you are using phone pay. One more time repeating. Listen carefully. Okay. So please respond through voice, not through chat. I'm not able to see your chat always. Okay. Right. So you are using phone pay. Okay. You have transferred how much money? 10 rupees you have transferred. How much people others for? Okay. For example, A is there, B is there. A is transferring 10 rupees. How much B will receive? 10 rupees only, not 10,000. So, okay, for example, C and D also transferring. C is transferring 10,000 to D. Who will receive 10,000? D will receive, not B. B will receive only 10 rupees. D will receive 10,000. That means their sessions are not conflicting. Okay, everybody? Right. That is one thing. So it is performing very high. That means, okay, at the same time, so many people will use phone pay at the same time. But still, okay, okay, their sessions are not conflicting. That is one thing. And the transaction is completing very faster. 10 rupees also, 10,000 also, 1 lakh also. The transaction is completing very faster. Okay, everyone. Right. This is one thing. Okay. Right. Understand everybody. Right. And not only that, for example, they are responsible for your money also. For example, if whenever you transfer money, sometimes internet is very slow. So it will load, but the transaction will fail. Okay, but sometimes what happens, you don't lose your money, but sometimes you will get money has debited, but still it will shows transaction has failed. But after 5 to 10 minutes, what happens, whatever the money is debited, again it will credit in your account. Have you ever faced or not this type of scenario? Respond everybody.
Yes.
Hello? Okay, right. That means what? It is secure, it is performing very well. Not only that, it is responsible, it is taking responsibility about your money also. Okay, it is not displaying any fraud messages. Whenever it is debited, it is showing debited. But if it is the transaction is not successful, immediately they are crediting also. Immediately they are crediting also. For example, you have transferred 700 rupees. It has debited, but transaction has failed. After 10 minutes, what happens? You will get only 700 rupees only, not 7,000. Okay, so how much money you lose, it is debited, same amount of money it is crediting also. So always we need to be perfect with the security and performance, and each and every user rated session should be encrypted, then only it can be possible. Okay, everyone. So they are taking up the security also, performance also. Okay, right. And if you want to get any new users, you should publicize your application in the Google internet also, not only in the Google, in every internet, in every social media platform. Okay, right. You need to publicize that. Not only that, your application should recognize by search engines also. That purpose, we need to generate some SEO friendly URLs. SEO, search engine optimization friendly URLs also we need to generate. So to generate this type of URLs, to write code for related to security, to write code related to performance, to write code to generating the SEO friendly URLs, minimum it will take 3 to 6 months time. If you choose any core language, minimum it will take 3 to 6 months time. Okay. Now what is that? To give basic structure related to security, basic structure related to performance, basic structure related to SEO friendly URLs. To give that basic structure, it will take minimum 3 to 6 months time. Depends upon your application size. But rather than that, if you choose any framework, what happens? Whatever the basic structure is required, what is the basic structure is required? Okay, related to that security also, performance also, SEO friendly URLs also. Immediately you will get it. Whenever you download the framework, automatically you will get that related structure also. and within 10 to 15 minutes, immediately can change whatever the settings is required, okay, to change also. So that means within half an hour, you can develop the application. But previously, if you choose any core language, you need to use, okay, you need to wait 6 months time. Not only wait, you need to develop that code also. Okay, so it is reducing 6 months time. That's what I told, to reduce application development time. Okay, everybody, right? Okay, right. This is about the framework. Why everybody using frameworks nowadays? And then after, what is this? Client side technology. So in software industry, we have client side technologies. We have server side technologies as well. Client side technologies and server side technologies. What is the difference between them? What is the difference between client side and server side technologies? So by using client side technologies, we cannot store our data permanently. We can store our data temporarily. If we want to store our data temporarily, we must use JavaScript language. We must use JavaScript language, or else that related language, that language related libraries or frameworks only we need to use. That we need to use that language directly, or that language related frameworks or libraries we need to use. But whatever it may be, we can store our data temporarily. But by using server-side technology, we can store our data permanently. We can store our data permanently. Understand, everybody? Right. How we can store our data permanently? How we can store our data permanently? Very simple. If you want to store your data permanently, we should store that data in a database. We should store that data in a database. So the technology, whatever you are using, that should have the capacity to connect with the database and to manipulate the database. The technologies, whatever you are using, that should have the capacity to connect with the database, to manipulate the database. Those technologies can be called as server-side technologies. For example of server-side technologies, Java, Node.js, PHP, Python, C, C++, the ASP.NET, those are all the server-side technologies. Because by using these technologies, at least we are able to connect with at least one database. By using these technologies, we can connect at least one database. Okay, everybody, right? Okay, these are all the server-side technologies. Then, what are the advantages of storing our data in the database? What are the advantages of storing our data in the database? First thing is, data is permanent. What is it, everybody? Data is permanent. So we can store our data permanently. We can store our data permanently. Clear or not? Respond, everybody. We can store our data permanently. Second thing is, we can organize and manage our data so that we can get our data faster. For example, if you want to store your data in the database, directly in the database, we are not able to store. Directly in the database, we are not able to store. We need to store the data in the form of tables. In the tabular format, we need to store. So we should not store our data also in a single table, because data can be related to multiple things. Some data may be related to users, some data may be related to products, some data may be related to orders, like that. So that's why what I think we need to do to maintain different types of data. What is that? To maintain different types of data, we need to maintain different tables in the tabular format. To maintain different types of data, we need to maintain different tables. Okay, everybody, right? We need to maintain different tables also. Okay, so that what happens, whenever you are expecting data from a particular table, only that related table related query will write. For example, select star from users where id equal to 2, where id equal to 3. So that what happens, we are sending the request to the users table. That is also where id equal to 3. So that what happens, we are retrieving the data very faster. Okay, rather than that, if you store every data in a single table, what happens? It is very difficult to find particular fields. It will take lot of time also. Understanding that my point? Respond, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is called organizing and managing also. So We are organizing and managing our data in the tabular format so that we can get our data faster. That is advantage. Then after, what is this? We can use the same data in multiple places. If we modify data in the database, then data will be updated immediately in the all the places wherever we have the same data. This is called dynamic behavior. So what is the meaning of dynamic behavior? Very simple. If we change in one place, if it is affecting in other places also, that is called a dynamic behavior. If we change in one place, if it is affecting in other places also, that is called dynamic behavior. That is called dynamic behavior. For example, I have A1, A2, A3 like that, A100 pages. A1, A2, A3 like that. I have A100 pages. In all 100 pages, we have different number of paragraphs. A1 has 10 paragraphs, A2 has 14 paragraphs, A3 has 15 paragraphs like that. Okay, but still, first 3 paragraphs are common. First 3 paragraphs are common. Then what is the thing I will do? I will create a table for the common data. I will create a table for the common data. There I will keep the common data. What is that? 3 paragraphs. In all the 100 pages, what I will do? I will write a database query to retrieve the data from the common data table. Select star from, okay, common data table. That's it. In all 100 pages, I will write. Of course, it will take little bit time. 1 hour time it will take. But tomorrow suddenly client told, no, I want to add extra paragraph. I want to add 4th paragraph also. After 3rd paragraph, I want to add, okay, extra paragraph also. Then what is the thing I need to do? No need to modify in all 100 pages. No need to open all 100 pages. Simply we will modify in the that common data table. We will add that extra paragraph in the common data table. Then what happens? In all 100 pages, automatically the data will be updated. In all 100 pages, automatically the data will be updated. Why? Because you are retrieving the data from that particular table only. So whatever the table contains, that particular data will display in all 100 pages also. Clear or not? Respond everybody. This is called dynamic data. Okay, so that modification of data will be very easy and modification of data is very faster. Same thing if you want to do it with statically, what happens? First day we need to keep all the 3 paragraphs statically in all 100 pages. Second day we need to add 1 more paragraph. Then what happens? Again tomorrow also we need to open again all 100 pages. Each and every page we need to keep the data manually. So first day also 1 hour, second day also 1 hour. But if you're storing in the database, what happens? First day only 1 hour because we need to write query in all 100 pages. But second day only 10 seconds. Only we need to modify in the common data table. That's it. Only 10 seconds, not 1 hour. Only 10 seconds. Automatically it will update in all 100 pages also. So that we can modify the data very faster. And modification also is permanent. And we don't miss any single page also. For example, if you are doing manually, if you are opening all 100 pages manually, at least you will forget 1 or 2 pages also. But if you are retrieving from the database, you cannot miss that one also. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Okay.
Yes,
Right. This is also one advantage. And what is the third one? Everybody can see the same information with all updated data. Updation of data will be very easy. For example, if you open Wikipedia, you are reading an article about Michael Jackson. You are reading from India. And somebody also opened Wikipedia. Here is also reading an article about Michael Jackson. Okay. Both will see the same information or different information.
Same
Respond.
information.
Same information. Why? Because in the Wikipedia, they are storing the data in their database. In that particular page, they are displaying the data about Michael Jackson. Clear it, everybody? Right. So everybody can see the same information. Somebody, for example, A is reading, B is reading, and C also read. But C knows about Michael Jackson very well. So that he have modified the content in the Wikipedia. Of course, we can modify the content in the Wikipedia also. If they allow to permission. If they give permission, we can modify any type of data also. Okay, everybody. Then what happens? Immediately we can see the updated data as well. Immediately we can see the updated data as well. Clear it, everybody? This is the advantage of this thing. Then after, what is that? No need to do the same work multiple times. For example, wait 1 second. See here, everybody. I have opened Myntra.com. So now, yeah, wait 1 second. Now I have clicked here. Okay, everyone. I have clicked here. Okay, right. Now I want to purchase this product. Can I purchase this product directly? Respond, everyone. Can I purchase this product directly? No, we are not able to purchase this product directly. Understand, everybody? We are not able to purchase this product directly. You must log in. Okay. Okay. Can you log in directly? No, you must register. What is it, everybody? You must register. Understanding or not? Respond, everyone. You must register. So whenever you are registering, what happens? They will store your data in the database. So what is the advantage? For example, today I have purchased this product. After 3 days, you got this product. You like this product very much from this brand. So that you have decided to purchase a new, another product from the same brand, from the Myntra website only. Then what happens? Directly you can purchase. No need to register. Only you need to log in. Whenever you are login, what happens? Respond, everybody. Why they will ask you to log in? Have you ever think like that? Why they will ask you to log in? Respond, any freshers. Why they will ask you to log in? Generally, I'm asking. Why they will ask you to log in whenever you want to purchase a product? Okay, every time they will ask you to log in if you don't log out. For example, see here, everybody, they don't ask me to log in. Why? Because I did not log out. I did not log out. So, but whenever you log out, immediately they will ask you to log in whenever you want to purchase another product. Why they will ask you to log in? What is the advantage of the login? Okay, I will tell you. So the advantage of the login is, of course, it is secure. It's okay, but they need to track your information also. Not only your information, product information also they need to track. So tracking our information is illegal, right? No, that is legal only. They will track not your entire information. They will track only required data only. For example, they will track your address. They will track your phone number. They will track your name only. That's it. Your name, your phone number, your address, they will track. Okay, not only that, they will track the product information also. Why they need to track your product information? They are okay. Why? Because very simple. For example, today you are purchasing this at 10th September 2024. What is that, everybody? 10th September 2024, you are purchasing a product. So up to 10th September 2026, they have used. What is that, everybody? 10th September 2024, you have purchased a product. Okay. 10th September 2026, you have used also. So that means you have used this product 2 years. But they are not tracking your information. Then what happens after 2 years? You will feel you are feeling bored. Give me a second, everybody. Give me a second. Sorry, everybody. Right. Suddenly somebody has came. Right. I'm really sorry. Right. So then what happens? You have used 2 years. So you are feeling bored. Then what happens? Okay, everyone. What happens? You will file a return also. So if they don't track that information, if they don't track the product information, who purchased that product, okay, and when they have purchased it, what color they have purchased it, what size they have purchased it, then what happens? They need to accept that return also. For example, you are purchasing in 2024, but they are not tracking that information. After 2 years, you are returning it. Since they are not tracking when you are purchasing, okay, so they need to accept that return, and they need to send either money or a new t-shirt they need to send. That's why they will ask you to log in again. Why? To track the information, product information, and your personal information like your name, phone number, and address. And not only that is one advantage. And second advantage is, if anybody doing the business, they need to generate some reports. Okay, quarterly how much they are selling, half yearly how much they are selling, and final yearly how much they are selling, and which scenario, okay, and which month they are getting more sales, what type of products they are selling. That type of things also they need to generate. That purpose also they need to track the users information and products information. That's why they will ask you to log in. Understand everyone? Just knowledge purpose I'm telling. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, everybody. See, others also responded. If it will be, it will be good for me. Okay, right. That's why they will ask you to log in also. Okay, so just extra knowledge purpose I'm telling. So whatever it may be, we need to register. We need to log in to purchase the product. For example, whenever you register, what happens? They will store your data in the database. So second time onwards, they don't ask you to log in. Second time onwards, what happens? They don't ask you to log in. Just they don't ask you to register. Sorry, very sorry. Second time onwards, they don't ask you to register. They will ask you to only log in. Okay, right. So that how many products you want, you can purchase from the same application. But for example, if they are not storing in the database, if they are storing the client's computer, what happens? Each and every time, whenever you want to purchase a product, each and every time you must register. You must log in. Okay, everybody, each and every time you must register as well. So that's what I'm telling. No need to do the same work multiple times. No need to do the same work multiple times. Okay, everyone, right. And the data is also updated. For example, observe here, everybody. Here, where are you finding the dynamic data? Where are you finding dynamic data? Tell me, just guess and tell me, everybody. Where are you finding the data dynamically? The product, because the page is same. If you are clicking on this product, only this product details will come. This is dynamic. Not only that, observe here, XL and double XL. This is also dynamic. Why? Because they have disabled this. That means what? Somebody purchased the T-shirt also. So XL size also not available. Double XL size also not available. That's why they are displaying with this. Okay, here. So this is also dynamic data. For example, if they uploaded this new stock related to XL or double XL, automatically they will enable. Understanding or not? Respond everybody. So this is also dynamic data. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Just normal name. Okay. Not only that, each and everything in this page is dynamic. For example, they have changed this T-shirt title. Automatically it will update here. Not only that, price. If they increase or decrease, again it will update. This offer also. If they decrease the price, again offer will change. Like that. So each and everything is dynamically only. Okay, everybody? Right. So that's it, everybody. This is our advantage of the storing our data in the database. Okay, right. But what is our technology? Client-side technology. By using client-side technology, can we connect with the database? Respond, everybody. By using client-side technology, can we connect with the database?
No.
No, sir.
Without connect to the database, can we deal with the data? Without connect to the database, can we deal with the data? No.
We can.
No. Then what is the use of this technology then? So we are not able to connect with the data directly. We are not able to connect with the data directly, but indirectly we are able to connect. What is that, everybody? Indirectly we are able to connect. Okay, indirectly we are able to connect. How we are able to connect indirectly? How we are able to connect indirectly? Through REST API. What is that, everybody? Through REST API. Now respond, everyone. Where can you find REST APIs in real time? Where are you observing REST APIs in real time applications? Where are you observing? For example,
in ticket reservation.
okay, right. So see here, everybody, for example, phone pay is there. Okay, what is that, everybody? Phone pay. Okay, by using phone pay, can you recharge your mobile or not? Respond, everybody. Can you recharge your mobile or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so and through phone pay, can you pay your electricity bill or not? Through phone pay, electricity bill and LIC bill and everything. Respond, everybody, we can pay also. That means, okay, this phone pay server and mobile recharging related SIM related servers like Airtel and Jio, okay, and electricity department server, all are running from a single database. Respond everybody. All are running from a single database. For example, wait 1 second. I will clarify this. You are paying electricity department bill. Can you pay directly? No. You must
No.
enter your service number. Okay. You are entering where are you entering your service number? In the PhonePe application. And whenever you enter your service number, immediately you will get all your information, not your name, your home address and everything, and your current bill. And if there is any pending bill also, you will get entire information or not. Respond everybody. Entire
Yes, sir,
information
we are
you will get or
getting.
not. Okay, entire information you will get also. Have you ever think you are using PhonePe application and okay, you are seeing entire your information. Have you ever enter whenever you are installing a PhonePe, you enter only your phone number and a bank number only, right everybody? But why are you getting your service number also? Have you ever think like that? Whenever you are installing PhonePe, what happens? It will ask your phone number, okay, which is connected with the bank, okay, which is connected with directly to the bank. So if you want, you can add your account number and everything also. But definitely you don't enter your LIC numbers and everything also. But why are you getting your details? Why? Because, okay, why? Because whenever you enter your service number, we are getting. Why? Because this electricity department collecting your data. Okay, whenever you apply for the electricity department meter, they will collect your data. After that, they will store the data in their database. Okay, previous days what happens? We need to go to electricity department manually. There we need to pay the money manually. Then after we need to go to the internet centers. If you want, there also you can pay the money. But they need to open only electricity department application. But now we are paying that money with the help of other applications also. Why? Because that electricity department is sharing our information with the PhonePe, Google Pay, MobiKwik and other these things also. So, sir, can I get that information? No, you need to follow some rules and regulations. Then only they will share their data. So sharing data means directly they will reveal the database related details. What is the electricity department related database server, electricity department related username and password? No. What are the information they have? Only that the information they will share through a particular URL. That is also in the form of JSON, JavaScript object notation. Okay, they will share the information in an URL. Okay, that is also in the form of objects. That is called REST API. That URL can be called as REST API. So what is the advantage? Application is one, but we are able to do the multiple works also. We are able to do the multiple works also. Understand everybody? That is the advantage. So that purpose, everybody using REST APIs nowadays. Is this point clear, right, everybody? Respond everyone. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, PhonePe. Okay, we are using PhonePe, but we are able to recharge our mobile. That means they are sharing whatever the users they have, that mobile company owners are sharing the information with the PhonePe. And electricity department, how many users are using electricity, that are related information they are sharing with the PhonePe. LIC, how many people are using LIC, they are sharing that information with the PhonePe. So that's why whenever you enter your policy number, whenever you enter your service number related to electricity department, you are getting your entire data. So they are not able to share the data directly, but indirectly they are sharing with, okay, indirectly they are able to share. That is called REST API. So by using REST APIs, two different servers can communicate. Two different technologies can communicate. Two different applications also can communicate. That is the advantage of the REST API. So that the people can do work faster. Okay, whatever the work they have, they can complete that work faster. Okay, understand everybody? Previous days, what happens if you want to pay the electricity department bill, LIC bill, we need to go to electricity department separately. We need to go to the LIC department separately. But now we are sitting on our home and just simply we are opening PhonePe, and if we have money, immediately you are paying electricity department and you are paying LIC also. So that you are saying you are saving so much time. You are saving what? So much time. Clear or not? Respond everyone. Hello?
Clear, sir.
Okay, right. So that's it, everyone. Leave it like this. Okay, everybody. This is the class for today. Okay. Tomorrow I will discuss about differences between JavaScript and TypeScript. Not only that, we will discuss about this MVC structure also. So definitely tomorrow we will discuss these topics. Okay, everyone. Understand it, everyone? Hello. Okay, right.
Clear, sir.
Okay, right. That's it, everyone. This is the class for today. Tomorrow we'll meet. We'll continue our classes. Okay. Bye, everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much, everybody.